the sweets were seen, and when we was on holiday, we got a package, and it was from the Pepsi Max one and competition.
What did we have to do?
We had to like tap it, and then it spun, and then if you got 3 in a row,
you had to buy a bottle of Pepsi Max, and then you got a code off the Pepsi Max, or you could buy Doritos.
Yeah.
And then you entered every day, and on one of the days we won what's in this box. And what's in the box?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Now I'm going to try and open it. First thing I saw was this Pepsi Max competition ball.
What is it? Have a look, and then you can see on the phone what people are seeing. Look at the phone and you'll see. It's quite a big bowl, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, it's different glass.
Wow, what's that?
It's a Pepsi Max glass.
Wow. Put it to the side carefully.
And there's another one.
Put it to the side. There's a letter in there. Read it out what it says.
Walkers, thank you for entering our Walkers
Perfect match.
match.
Promotion.
And once again, congratulations. Please find enclosed with this letter. You Walkers share bowl and times 2 glasses. Thank you for purchasing, and we hope you enjoy your prize.
Wow. So do you know what that means? It's a sharing bowl. What you're meant to do with that is open some Doritos, put them in the sharing bowl, and then when you have a movie night, you can share.
Yeah.
So how do you like that competition win? And somebody pushed a button on that win, didn't they? Who was that?
Me.
Yay. So you've got yourself a set of glasses and bowl. So what do you say to everyone?
Thank you. And before we get finished up, please like, subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up.